I'm so tempted to walk across there. I can see him typing on the phone. I can see screens lit up because I saw the Apple YT25ZDE. Oi! Gone now, I have to wait a little bit. Carry on, mate. Again, that's on the A40.